Thomas Baca Barber, guys, back with another video. This is a scissor review. These are the pink flamingos. And this is the case they come in. And I use these ones every single day. Here's the box that they come in right here. I use these every single day on every single haircut. They come in this cool black box, Mizutani. Best scissors in the world. They come with an awesome case that they provide, a leather scissor case that when you open it up, it just opens up. These are very, very, very good in my opinion. I use them every day for every single haircut. These are a pair of blending scissors. These are 25% cutting ratio, meaning it's going to pull out 25% of the hair. And there are 33 teeth on this. And it's made of a cobalt alloy. Very, 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 very good scissor, guys. Here's the stuff that comes in the box. Also, a quick thing about it, it's got a nice built-in tang right here that's already built onto the metal, just in the perfect position. If you have smaller hands, it could probably fit right there. I like to just pop it somewhere around right here, right here. Another thing with this scissor is it's they come painted in pink. I don't know if they make another color or not. I have them in this color. This color is really cool. This rubbery feeling, it feels nice and soft. I really love the way that feels. And then you can see that cobalt alloy that's exposed right here. It says Pink Flamingo right here. You could find these on Mizutani's website for the small price of $900. And let's see. Yeah, these are just the Pink Flamingo blending scissors. And in order to adjust them, the tightness of them, you have to use a tool that will do that for you. It doesn't have a screw. It has like the screw in there has to be used with a tool. So it doesn't have like one of those screws that protrudes that you could turn. This has this, and this will just come right in here. This will come right here, and it'll just, so now it turned. Now it's tight, and then it can go to a clicks. I want you to hear that click. And then that just, puts it in a nice position right there for me. I like it about right there. I like to be able to swing them pretty fast. What do I use these for? I use these for when I get done fading the hair and I've done shear over comb. These right here. And okay, let's put it to you like this. Once I fade the hair and I'm starting to connect it on the sides with a guard, with clipper over comb, whatever you use, I'll use a guard. And then what I'll do with these is once I get the haircut into, hang on one second. Look, so as I've already cut the hair and I'm going to the side and I want to get a blend instead of using the clippers to finish the blend to the top of the hair, I'll just take these and just lightly cascade it through. It just gives it this real soft blend. So really just to connect my haircut from the fade into the guard, into these, right into the top, into some more scissors. So I feel like the more scissor work I could do on the haircut, the better, along with elite clipper work. So guys, these are the Pink Flamingos. If you guys like them, let me know. If you have any questions about them, let me know. This is what they look like up close. Guys, I'm starting to make more videos on YouTube and less on Instagram and TikTok. And I like YouTube. I like the education part of this. If you guys want me to do any videos at all that you guys think I could do, let me know, and I'll do them. But I'm going to start kicking out some Mizutani scissor videos because I have over 10 pairs. I have over 13 pairs. And so this is one of the pairs that I have. This is also one of the pairs that I use every single day. If there's a pair of Mizutani scissors that you're interested in, leave a comment below. I probably have them and I'll show them to you. And all right, guys, I appreciate you. If you like the video, keep watching. I appreciate you. Thank you very much.